What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Ford Ranger remote key fob. This Ford Ranger key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2450, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this button here that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. Now if we hold the key fob with the buttons facing down and we take a look at the bottom of it, we see there's this notch right here that the end of my key's on. What I'm going to do is take my key and stick it in that notch like that. Make sure it's all the way pushed in. Then I'm going to angle the key up and push up on this back cover and pop that off of there. And that can take a good amount of pressure to pop that off. Once we get the back cover off, we see our battery right here. I'm going to grab a small screwdriver, even something like with a point on it will work. It just needs to fit in this notch right here. And this notch will allow you to get under the edge of the battery and pop it up out of that holder. Get the old battery out, and then we'll grab our new replacement battery. And you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up, positive side up. And I'm going to kind of start this outer edge in first like that. Tuck that edge in, then snap it down into place. Then I'll grab the back cover, and if we look on the cover right here, you see there's that little bit of a tab. What I'm going to do is slide that tab in first like that, and then snap that back cover down into place. Put the emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.